Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Cadence featuring Marie, my mom. It was a lot of fun making the cake yesterday, right?
Yes,
Yeah, it was a good time.
good. We had a good time cooking.
Yes. And this is the result. As you can see, it is beautiful. So mom already took a little bite of the of the one with the nuts in it. So we have our coffee. It's a nice pair with,
Yeah,
well, you have.
you can enjoy it with this cup of coffee or a cup of tea, or if you're a milk drinker, a nice cup of warm milk or cold milk, whatever you like.
Yes, that sounds good to me. And what is this going on in the bowl right here?
Well, in the bowl, I was watching some YouTube video. I see that they can make some topping with apricot, dry apricot, and you just rinse it and let it sit for a little bit, and then you blend it, not blend it,
Mince it, chop it up.
chop it up. If you have a processor, that will make it faster. You process it in a food processor, and then you mix it with the Greek yogurt. You can add a little bit of honey to give it a sweeter taste, and then you can put it on as a topping when you eat that.
Yes, and that sounds delicious. I haven't had a chance to try the cake yet or the topping, so we're gonna go ahead and get a slice of each right now. So let me go ahead and grab us a slice. Yeah, I'm gonna use a different one for my cake since the allergies. Yeah. Okay, so Lori, you can say that one. How much do you want? Like this? Yeah. Okay. That like mushiness. I almost want to go for the inside. I might do that. And it's fine, honestly. It's still very mushy. I just like the inside. And add a little bit on my side as well. Okay. I'm just gonna add a little tiny cream topping.
And then again, it's your choice. You don't have to use a topping, or do you have a different topping you want to use? You can use it, but it's just your preference.
The choice is yours. Listen, I love this cake even without the topping. The topping is nice. It's like a little tangy.
Yeah.
It's a little tangy. It's sweet, but it's not too sweet.
Yeah.
So I think it's like depending on what you're in the mood for that day.
Yeah.
But by itself, even if you just
it's just perfect.
if you just warm up this cake too, because we did this. This cake was finished baking yesterday, so we're eating it cold, but it's still delicious. But I'm telling you, warm it up for 10 seconds. Pair it with your coffee, and you're good to go. Oh, you did have a great point about fiber yesterday. You want to share with them?
Yeah, well, all this pulp is really a lot of fibers, so that's really good for your digestive tract. So when you eat that, you put into your body good stuff, good fibers. Yeah.
So we know how important that is, especially getting more older, like getting more
Yes.
in your adult years. You need good movements. And is there good benefits from the topping, you think, too? Because it has apricots, has a little raisin, has yogurt, honey.
Yeah.
Good ingredients. Yeah. So shout out to whoever was the inspiration for the topping.
Yeah.
So we got the original cake, we got a nice topping, our coffee, and I think we're good to go.
We're good to go.
Yeah.
Enjoy. Give us some feedback.
Yes, let us know how you like it.
All right. Love you. Ta-ta.
Yay!